Welcome to our English Vocab listening channel. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to enjoy a very slow and easy English story about a lovely day out with friends. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing conversation between two friends, Sam and Mina. They meet at the station, visit a cozy cafe, go to a bakery, and take a walk in the park while talking about their hobbies. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will speak very slowly and clearly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Listening for the answer will help you understand English much more deeply. So here is today's question. What does Sam usually put in his coffee? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write your answer in the comments section below. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready to start the video? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina.
Good morning, Sam. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm just really happy to see you.
Me too. I was looking forward to our walk all week.
The weather is so beautiful today, isn't it?
It really is. The sky is so blue and clear. There isn't a single cloud out there.
It's quite warm, too. I actually decided not to bring my jacket today.
That's perfectly fine. I checked the weather report this morning and it should stay warm all day.
Perfect. Did you sleep well last night, Mina?
Yes, I did. I was so excited about today that I went to bed extra early.
Actually, I did the exact same thing.
So, what do you want to do first today?
Well, first, let's go get some coffee. There's a really lovely cafe near the station.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I always love a good coffee in the morning.
Me too. And after that, we can just walk around and enjoy the beautiful day.
I really like that plan. Is the cafe far from here?
Oh, not at all. It's only about a 5-minute walk. It's very close.
Great. I'm already excited to go.
You really love coffee, don't you, Sam?
Yes, I really do. I can't start my day without it. It's a very important part of my morning routine.
I understand. I feel the same way about my morning drinks.
How do you like your coffee? Do you drink it black?
Oh no, I usually put a little milk in it, but I never add sugar. How about you?
Actually, I don't drink coffee at all. I usually get tea instead.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Yes, it is. Well, let's go find your favorite tea and my morning coffee then.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
Hi there. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure thing. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
A medium, please.
Great choice. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a beautiful day, but I still prefer a warm coffee in the morning.
I understand completely. A lot of people feel the same way. Do you want any milk in your coffee?
Yes, please. Just a little milk.
Okay. And how about some sugar?
No sugar for me, thanks. I think coffee tastes much better with just a little milk.
Got it. So that's one medium hot coffee with a little milk and no sugar. Do you want anything else?
That's right. And can I also get a medium iced tea, please? It's for my friend.
Of course. Any sugar in the iced tea?
I'm not sure. Let me think. Actually, no sugar is fine. She usually doesn't like sugar in her drinks.
No problem at all. So, one medium hot coffee with milk and one medium iced tea with no sugar. That will be £6.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drinks will be ready in just a moment. Please wait over there.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your drinks today.
Here is your iced tea, Mina. I didn't add any sugar. Is that okay?
That is perfect. You really know me well. Thank you so much, Sam.
You're very welcome. Okay, let me try my coffee. This is really, really good.
Really? I'm so glad you like it.
Yes, the coffee is very smooth. It's not too strong and not too weak. It's just right.
That's why I love this place. They always make everything just right. How is your iced tea?
It's wonderful. It's very cold and refreshing, which is perfect for a warm day like today.
That sounds nice. This cafe has a really lovely feeling, doesn't it? It's so quiet and relaxing.
Yes, I love the music they play here. It's very soft and calm. It makes me feel so peaceful.
And the chairs are really comfortable. I feel like I could sit here all day.
We have other things to do today, remember?
Right, right. So, do you come to this cafe often?
Yes, I come here about once a week, usually on Saturday mornings. It's definitely my favorite cafe.
Once a week? Wow, you must really love this place.
I do. The staff are always so friendly and the drinks are always delicious.
I noticed that too. The person at the counter was very kind.
Right? They always smile and even remember what I like to order.
I can see why you like it. It's a really wonderful place. I want to come back here again soon.
I'm so happy I could share it with you. It feels really nice to come here with a friend.
Thank you for bringing me here. Next time, I really want to try their cake too.
Oh, yes, their cake is delicious. You will love it.
That's definitely something to look forward to.
Okay, shall we go? I really want to show you a special bakery near here.
A bakery? That sounds wonderful. I love the smell of fresh bread. Let's go.
It's just a short walk down this beautiful street. Look at these old houses.
They are so pretty. London has such amazing architecture.
I agree. It feels like we are in a movie sometimes.
You're right. I'm getting a little excited to see what this bakery has.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Their bread is famous in this neighborhood.
I can't wait. Walking like this makes me feel so happy and full of energy.
Hello, welcome to our bakery. Please take your time and look around at everything.
Oh, thank you. Everything looks so delicious. It's actually quite hard to choose.
It all smells amazing. What do you recommend today?
Well, our chocolate bread is very popular today. Many people bought it this morning. Also, the cheese bread is really good. It's a favorite for many of our customers.
They both look great. I'll take one chocolate bread, please. How much is that?
The chocolate bread is £2.50.
Okay. And actually, let me get one cheese bread, too. My friend might want to try it. Is the cheese bread soft?
Yes, it's very soft and warm. We baked it just 30 minutes ago, so it's still very fresh.
That sounds perfect. I'll take both, please.
Sure. The cheese bread is £2, so your total is £4.50.
Okay. Here is £5.
Thank you very much. And here is your change, 50p.
Thank you.
Would you like a bag for your bread?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful. We're going to eat them outside in the park.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Here you go. The bread is best when it's fresh, so please enjoy it soon.
We definitely will. They smell so good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you like those, next time you should try our melon bread. It's also very popular.
Melon bread? I love melon bread. I'll definitely try it next time. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Please come again soon.
Wow, this park is absolutely beautiful. The trees are so green and bright.
I know, right? I love coming here, especially on lovely days like this.
The weather really is perfect for being outside. It's not too hot and not too cold.
Yes, it's the best kind of day for a long walk. I feel so relaxed already.
I agree, and the park is so peaceful. I can even hear the birds singing.
Yes, there are many birds here. Sometimes, if we are lucky, I even see little squirrels.
Really? That's so cute. I truly love nature. It makes me feel so happy and calm.
Me too. It's so nice to get away from the busy city for a little while.
Do you take walks often, Sam?
Yes, I try to walk every single day, usually in the morning or just after dinner.
Every day? That's really healthy. How long do you usually walk for?
Usually about 30 minutes, but sometimes longer if the weather is as nice as it is today.
That sounds wonderful. I really should walk more too. I usually just stay home on my days off.
You should definitely try it. Walking is great for your body and your mind. You feel so fresh and happy after a good walk.
You're right. Maybe I'll start walking in this park every weekend. It would be very good for me.
Definitely. And you can take pictures while you walk. That's two hobbies at the same time.
That's a great idea. I didn't think of that.
Oh, look. There's a nice wooden bench over there under that big tree.
Do you want to sit down for a moment and eat the fresh bread?
Yes, let's sit there. I'm actually getting a little bit hungry now.
Me too. The bread smells absolutely amazing.
Here, try the cheese bread first. I specifically got it for you to try.
Really? That is so kind of you, Sam. Thank you so much.
Of course. Let's eat.
This cheese bread is so delicious. I love it.
I'm so glad you like it. The chocolate one is really good too. Do you want to try a little piece?
Oh, can I? Thank you.
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, that's amazing too. You were right about this bakery. So, I really want to know more about you. What are your hobbies?
Well, I really love reading. I read books almost every night before I go to sleep.
Oh, that's lovely. What kind of books do you enjoy reading the most?
I like novels, especially sweet love stories and mystery stories. You know, a good book can really take me to another world.
That's a beautiful way to say it. I really wish I read more books myself.
You should try it. I can recommend some easy and fun books for you if you like. How about you, Sam? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I really like cooking, so I try making new dishes every week.
Really? That's wonderful. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I love making Italian food, like pasta and pizza. But recently, I've been trying to cook Japanese food too.
Japanese food? That's great. What Japanese dishes have you tried so far?
I made curry last week, and I think it was pretty good. I also tried to make rice balls once, but they fell apart.
Oh, rice balls are actually quite tricky. You need to use just the right amount of water. I can teach you how to make them sometime if you want.
Really? I would love that. And I'll cook some Italian food for you in return.
That sounds like a great plan.
Do you have any other hobbies besides cooking, Sam?
Yes, I also really love listening to music. I listen to music when I cook, when I walk, and even before I sleep.
That's nice. What kind of music do you like the most?
I like many kinds, like rock, pop, and jazz. And I've been listening to some Japanese music lately too.
You really are interested in Japanese things, aren't you?
Of course, that's one of the reasons I'm here. What about you? Do you have other hobbies besides reading?
Yes, I also love taking pictures. I take photos of flowers, food, and beautiful places with my phone.
Oh, that's so cool. Do you share your photos anywhere online?
Yes, I put them on social media sometimes, and my friends say they are quite good.
I'm sure they are. You have a very good eye for beautiful things, I think.
Thank you, Sam. That's a very sweet thing to say.
I mean it. I've really enjoyed spending time with you today, Mina.
I've enjoyed it too. It's been so much fun talking with you like this.
Oh, we're back at the station already. I can't believe it.
Time went by so fast today, didn't it?
I know. I had such a wonderful time with you. Every moment was so much fun.
Me too. I had a really perfect day. The coffee, the fresh bread, the walk in the park, everything was just lovely.
I'm so happy to hear that. I enjoyed every part of today too.
And I learned so much about you today. Your hobbies are really interesting, Sam.
Thank you, Mina. I learned a lot about you too. I didn't know you were such a good photographer.
And I didn't know you could cook. I really want to try your food sometime.
I promise I'll make something special for you. Maybe the next time we meet?
That would be amazing. I would really like that. When are you free again?
Hmm. How about next Saturday? I can cook lunch for us at my place.
Next Saturday sounds perfect. I'll bring something too. Maybe some fresh take or some fruit?
You don't have to bring anything, but that would be very kind of you.
Of course I'll bring something. It's more fun to share things, right?
You're absolutely right. Okay, so next Saturday it is. I'll send you a message about the time.
Sounds good. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, I should go now. Thank you for today, Mina. It was really special.
Thank you too, Sam. I had a lovely day with you. Take care on your way home.
Send me a message when you get there, okay?
I will. You be careful too, and don't forget to send me the time for Saturday.
I won't forget, I promise. See you next Saturday, Mina.
See you next Saturday. I hope your cooking practice goes well this week.
I'll do my best. Have a good night, Mina.
Good night, Sam. Today was a really great day.
It really was. One of the best days I've had in a long time. Bye, Mina.
Bye-bye. How was it? I truly hope this story helped you feel more comfortable with your English listening today. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time to see if you remember. What does Sam usually put in his coffee? Did you find the answer during the story? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section below so I can see it. By practicing your English output like this, you will definitely improve your skills much more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you learn natural conversations step by step. I will keep uploading more videos like this one, so if you enjoyed our time today, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a friendly comment to say hello. I also offer channel memberships if you would like to support the channel even more. All right, that is all for today's story. I really hope to see you in the next video. Take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.